Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can filter your search results and research papers and studies on Consensus AI by country. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your application, to your account, on Consensus AI, log into it, and let's say you start a new thread. But before you post your study request here, or research request, and post it by clicking into this button, access the filter settings here, and then guys expand the countries tab at the bottom, and then go through that list to filter out, for example, or not to filter out, but to narrow down your search for these studies and research papers from a specific region or country. Like, let's go for example with the US and Argentina for the sake of this tutorial, and Australia, and then you may apply these filters by clicking into this button, and then you may post your request. And then guys, once the artificial intelligence has provided you with a list of studies and research papers, the given filter will be applied, and with sources, for example, from the specific region or country. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.